Hey, are you looking for Sketchup with VRay course? So you are at the right place. This is Shilpa, and let us see what is meant by the Sketchup software and what are the uses of Sketchup software. So Sketchup is a 3D modeling software which could be used for variety of tasks including architectural, interior designing, landscape architecture and video game designing, etc. Okay. So mostly it will be useful for building modeling, and in this course you are going to learn about the architecture interior designing part related to this SketchUp software. Okay. So and also for drawing layout, surface rendering and support for the third party plugins from the extension warehouse are also included in this program. Okay. So also we are going to learn about the third party plugins. Okay, in SketchUp already we are going to have the different tools, and apart from these tools in the SketchUp we are going to install the third party plugins and we are going to implement in our models. Okay, so VRay is a third party plugin which is used for the rendering. Okay, so it is used in industries such as media, entertainment, film and video game production, industrial design, product design and architecture for visualizations and computer graphics. Okay, simply we can consider this as a computer graphic which is used for rendering of any model which we have created in the SketchUp. Okay, so I'm just going to use this software, particularly this VRay, for rendering purpose and to edit the materials and for lighting purpose in the SketchUp. Okay, so what are the things we are going to learn in this software? Okay, in this course. So first we'll be starting with the user interface, like how to set up the user interface, like what is the template we need to choose according to our needs, and how to set up the units, and we'll be starting with the draw tools, and after that we'll see modification tools. In draw tools we are going to learn the like normal like line, rectangle, arcs, etc., and how to modify them. And we'll see grouping, we'll see the components, how to create components and how to use the existing components, and how to get the components from the other sources. Okay, and how to install the third party softwares like other plugins and how to use them in the SketchUp. And we'll see how to create the layers, how to hide and unhide the objects by using the layers, how to create the scenes, etc. And we'll see how to create material, apply materials for our models, and that can be done in the SketchUp alone, or we can use VRay for enhancing our materialistic properties for of the models. And we'll see how to set up the background, like whether it is a daylight or night, or if you want to set up any other image background, etc., we can create those all the things, and how to apply the lights and different types of lightings, how to edit the lightings, like how to create or edit the intensities, etc. And after creating our model we'll see how to create the rendering, etc. Okay, so just in starting we'll be learning all these tools in the basic level, and we'll be applying to create a model. Okay, so we'll be starting with the plan. I mean, like how do we create the model? We will be starting with the plan, and that plan can be done in SketchUp or we can import it. And we'll be developing a 3D model, and we'll be assigning materials, and if required we will be editing the materials, and at last we'll be getting the rendered image. So that is by using rendering with the help of VRay software. Okay, so at the end of the course, you'll be able to model your own building. You can create your own interior designing for your model. Okay, and simply we can get the rendered image, a beautiful rendered image at the end of this course. So thank you for coming here and enjoy the learning. Thank you. Hey.